Hello and welcome back guys to a basic Flutter material widgets course for beginners level. In this course we will be designing an app using material design widget. In this tutorial we will be working on layout of the notification screen. First of all, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Let's remove the schedule because we don't want it anymore. So let's work on notification screen. Create a Dart file for our screen. After creating our screen, let's name it notification and replace the container with scaffold. And then center. In the center we have text as a child. Text should be notification. It's just a dummy text for testing our navigations. Let's copy the profile screen navigator for our notification and paste in the notification in onTap method and change profile to notifications. And now let's import our path for our notification screen by clicking on the yellow bulb, import and save. So if we click on the notification link, it will move to the notification screen. Let's move to our notification screen and start working on our layout. First, let's replace these with the column. Children. In the children we will have container height media query dot of context dot size dot height. This is basically to cover the height of the full screen. Let's add child will be Listview, scroll direction axis dot vertical because we need vertical scrolling here. Children const Listtile, title text John Doe, the user for example, subtitle some dummy text wants to meet. Leading will be a circle avatar which will have icon as a child, icons dot notification, and the trailing will also have an icon, icons dot delete outline. This will have color, colors dot red accent. Let's cut the whole component by Ctrl X and move it outside from our list view because since we working on the static layout, we don't need to copy and paste the same component UI again and again. So the better thing is let's create a separate class for this and paste our entire class into our list view. It will be easy to adjust. So let's create a class here with the name Listtile view and then paste our Listtile into return. Let's add a const to get rid of the blue underlines. Now let's select copy and save. If we save, the Listtile will disappear. You can see now if we paste our class here in the children and save, our Listtile will appear again because we declared a class for this. Let's paste it multiple times. And we should add a divider here. For this, let's move to our profile screen and copy the divider and paste in between our each Listtile view class and save. As you can see, let's get rid of the blue underline by removing the const from each of the class, and let's copy and paste divider with our class Listtile view one more time. Let's copy and paste our bottom app bar here and import our Flutter beginners class here. You can see we got our float. So for this, let's wrap our main column which is in the body by single child scroll view. This is what we wanted, but the scrolling is very laggy guys. So to removing the laggy behavior of the scrolling, let's add bouncing scroll physics to to our list view. As you can see, now we have a nice bouncing scrolling behavior list. Our tutorial ends up here. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, leave a like and comment, and turn on the notification button to never miss an update.